When I began to research Pakistan and I went online to find where I wanted to go and what I wanted to see, I found a picture of a bridge in northern Pakistan and I knew I had to go across it. The chance to live out a popular adventure theme from almost every Sunday morning cartoon from my childhood. The crazy dangerous suspension bridge dangling over a massive canyon. I knew I needed to cross that bridge. So I went. The Hussaini hanging bridge crossing Borat Lake is often referred to as the most dangerous bridge in the world. This rope bridge is both long and poorly maintained. Many planks are missing, and once you reach the midway point, incredibly strong winds shake the bridge and threaten to blow you right off the side. Once you eventually get to the other side of the bridge, there's an amazing cliff path you can begin to climb. There are probably no plans to upgrade the bridge and make it any more safe. So if you want to live out the adventures of Scooby-Doo and Johnny Quest on a real-life treacherous hanging bridge, chances are it will be waiting for you in exactly the same condition.